Hello and welcome to my tutorials. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do escape characters in Python. So, for our exercise 3, we need to use a print statement function to produce a pyramid, and we can do asterisks. So this is where we need to bring in the escape characters \n. So, but, so for those who don't remember or haven't watched my previous video on print statements, I show you how to create a REPL. So it's create REPL. There's going to be template's going to be the programming language, Python, and it's going to be IO task 3. Then we create REPL. So at the moment, this will happen in any Python replit you make. It will be an empty template. But what we want to do is we want to make escape characters. So this is how we will do it. First, we need to do a print statement, shift and 9, and shift and 2. So this is where it will require a little bit of thinking. This is where you need to follow this time. So press the spacebar 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asterisk. So we need to do asterisk. You need to do shift and then 8. That's how you get your asterisk. And then to do that, we need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Because what we're going to do is we're going to make a pyramid using asterisks across the different lines. But to do an escape character like \n, you need to find the button on the keyboard that's between Alt. You need to find a button that instead of having /, it's the other way. So that's a \, and then you would need N. But before I run it and show you what \n does, I'm going to do another 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Asterisk 8 space asterisk 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do another \n. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it. And it's produced a pyramid. So it does require thinking on how many spaces you need to do. So I'm going to finish the task and we're going to try this again. I'm going to do \n 1, 2 to get 4. 1, 2. \n 1. And then we click run. Before you know it, you've got your pyramid. So that is how we can use escape characters to make a pyramid. So what the \n has done is it's made new lines. So we were able to do one print statement, making 5 lines. You can alternatively do 5 print statements, but it's actually more efficient if you, for this sort of task, it's more efficient to do 1 line with 4 \n escape characters being used. So that is it on my tutorial of how to produce an asterisk pyramid using escape characters.